welcome back to another video. Look what I have. It's from the Pokemon, the first movie. I got everything ready. It comes with 8 Pokemon cards from a long... Wait, did I leave any here? From a long time ago. Let's see what we get. Come on, we need help. We get a trapped Charizard. We get a Donovan. We get a leaving the nest. We get Meowth ×2. We get some stickers. And the rare card from this pack is Rest and Relaxation at Last. If you would like to, how about I'll let you see me sleeve these up. All of them up because they're from 1996. This is a while ago, you guys. You know what I'm saying. There's a new view today because my tablet's at low percentage. Sadly. I'm just getting all these in the sleeves. All these in the sleeves. Even the stickers in the sleeves. That's the wrong end, right? Yeah, that's the wrong end. And these are also the sleeves to make the winners, okay? They use for the winners. Because these are the only sleeves that I have, unfortunately. Bye, thank you for watching the old vintage Pokemon pack in opening. A good job for going to my channel. Boy, I would like to say, watch my channel again. Every single one of my videos, I would like to say, watch. Is that a good idea? I think it is. Bye.